Assalomu alaykum do'stlar, hurmatli obunachilar. Biz bugun bitta obunachimizning akkauntini olib sotib oldik va buni boshqa birovga beraveramiz. Do'stlar, mana shu ko'rib turgan akkaunt bir obunachimizniki. Mana yaxshi Messi bor ekan, Batistuta, Jotasi bor, Husan Xames Rodriguez bor, yulduzli futbolchilar bor, muhim bor. Batistuta ham bor ekan. Yaxshi Ronaldo, Messi bor ekan. Holland. Biroz shovqinli joyda video olayotgandim. Do'stlar, mana bu yerga arzonroq kelib turibdi olmasga. Yaxshi o'ynagan futbolchilar. Mendy. Luis Diaz ham juda zo'r ko'tarilmoqda do'stlar. Mana u Alejandro Bane degan futbolchi tushib ketibdi. Mana buni tanimadimi? Bu yangi qo'shilgan bo'lsa kerak. Do'stlar, obunachimizning akkaunti yaxshi, zo'r, juda zo'r. Bu yo sotaveramiz yoki obunachilarimizdan biriga beraveramiz. Shunga obuna bo'lib qo'yinglar. Ko'p kuttirmasdan albatta o'yinni boshlaymiz. Tabiatan Alistar va Ko'rsaman. Bular tarkibida Isak, Donnarumma, Batistuta, Gabriel, Bremer, Kunde, Pedri, Vitinha, Di Marcos zo'r ko'tarildi bu yil. Saka, Isak, Rafinha. Bular tarkib yaxshi. Hali yaqinda boshlabdi bir obunachimiz. Mana reytingda ko'rinishlar. Stadionlar full, mana bundan 5 ta chiqargan. Obunachimizning akkaunti yaxshi. Bu akkauntni sotmoqchi bo'lsalaringiz, mana shu ko'rib turgan Telegram kanaliga yozasizlar, obuna bo'lib qo'yasizlar. Mana hozir chiqadi, mana chiqdi. Mana shunga obuna bo'lib qo'yasizlar. Sotamiz bu akkauntni.
It's 4-3. Now let's look at the away team.
Mbappé'da to'p, Valverde'da, De Bruyne'da,
Lamine
Yamaldan feint.
They've taken it down the wing.
Voy,
Strong
Di Marcos
challenge from Di Marco.
Aytganimda Di Marcos bu yil juda kuchli bo'lib ketgan. Vitinha oltin to'pga da'vogarlar ro'yxatida bor.
Mbappe.
Qadrli do'stlar, bu yilgi oltin to'pni eng katta
Good defending.
Mbappe.
That tackle was badly timed.
Holland bor, Vitinha bor. Pedri qani, Rafinha qani degan bo'lishi mumkin.
It's Saka.
Rafinhani ko'rdim, bu Rafinha yo'q ekan.
He's in control.
Bor ekan. McTominay bor ekan.
He's running at the opposition. Is this a
goal?
goal?
Yamaldan. Va Yamal
clears the ball to safety.
hozir. Do'stlar, mana shu ko'rib turgan akkaunti.
It's opened up. Denied by the post.
Oh, and it's found the back of the net. Surely that'll go down as an own goal. You've got to feel sorry for the player there.
Do'stlar, yana mana xo'sh.
Kunde in possession. He's darting forward.
Tezlik. Hop.
Vinicius Junior, great run. A strong tackle.
Mendes aytgancha bu yilgi oltin to'plarda Mendes ham bor.
Now it's Pedri.
Dembele har doimgidek yana bor oltin to'plar ro'yxatida.
Now Di Marco.
Yamal kuchli 5talikda.
Dribbles with the ball. Can he get it on target?
Isak Jude Bellinghamga qarshi. Jude Bellingham kuchli.
Playing to his teammate.
Yamaldan feint.
Yamal looks comfortable on the ball. The
The
referee has to do something about it. That was a dreadful challenge.
Do'stlar, agar biroz shovqinli bo'lsa, noqulay joyda edim. Eshitilish juda.
He'll be disappointed with that tackle. He's normally so reliable.
U akkauntni beraverganimiz yo'q hali, lekin u akkaunt hali sotilmoqda.
Well, it's so far so good. They're leading the final. Will they change their tactics or go for the same approach?
Like ham bitta bosib qo'yishlaringiz deb komment yozasizlar. Mana shu ko'rib turgan tarkiblardan Dembele nima, Gyökeres nima, Antony nima, Lewandowski nima, Messi nima, Haaland nima, Harry Kane nima, Ronaldo nima, Mendes nima, Mbappe nima, Van Dijk nima, Rudiger nima, Van de Ven nima, Alisson nima, De Bruyne nima, Valverde nima, Jude Bellingham nima, Vini nima. Vini 86 bor ekan. Endi Yamal yo Mbappe nima. Mbappe 5 ta chiqarib obrachimiz. Yaxshi, zo'r.
It's 1-0.
Shu
The losing
ko'rtirgan
team have
tablar
the
juda
next
zo'r.
45
Mana
minutes
shuni
to turn
qaysi biri
things
juda
around.
zo'r yoqqan bo'lsa, like bosib, kommentga yozasizlar. Valverde yo Mbappe yo Ronaldo yoqdi deb
He's won the
yozasizlar.
header.
Valverde,
Vinicius
Vini.
Junior, great run. He loves to run with the
Vini'dan
ball.
juda chiroyli
He's clear
harakatlar va
and sprinting
gol.
forward now. Oh, it's gone in.
Vini albatta
It finally
oltin
found the
to'pga
back of the net
da'vogarlik buyurdi.
with a hint of good luck
Vini
off the woodwork.
juda
The
kuchli.
player won't
Ikkita
mind though
futbolchini
as
juda
he
chiroyli
grabs a
oladi.
goal for his team. It's time to freshen things up. The manager is bringing on some substitutes.
Lekin Usmon Dembele bizga tushdi. Usmon
Well
Dembele,
read.
Valverde, Jude Bellingham.
And they want to add to their lead here. Will it go in?
Xo'sh, zarba gol.
It's there.
Dembele'dan
Dembele
gol.
scores. Great headed goal there.
Xo'sh,
He really
Dembele
got
baran
behind
Dembele
that one and
yaxshi.
gave the goalkeeper
Oltin
absolutely no
futbolchi
chance.
chiqib ketdi.
Alexander Arnold.
Jude Bellingham jarohatda, bilsangiz do'stlar.
And now De Bruyne.
De Bruyne'dan
He
zarba.
tries something special. He just couldn't keep it down.
Hozir Realda jarohatda, Jude Bellingham
Uses his head.
to'pga da'vogarlik ichida yo'q.
Vinicius Junior, great run.
Va Vini ajoyib oldirmoqda. Vini
flicked it
va
forward.
aldadi.
Alexander Arnold with a tackle.
Haalanddan
Stunning
gol.
header. Well, it's becoming a bit embarrassing for the opposition here. Yet another goal from this brilliant player.
Do'stlar, ajoyib 4 ta
Gvardiol.
gol Alestarga qarshi. Shunday bu Bilis tomonidan tuzilgan komandalarda futbolchi tanlab oladi.
Well, a great performance from the winning team. They fully deserve to be lifting that trophy. Haaland drives forward.
Vinida ajoyib harakat.
Oh dear, that was a terrible challenge. The ref won't like that.
Qora bo'lsa keyin ular sariqlar ham ko'payib
Passed into the box.
bo'lsa-da. Keyin
That wasn't a very good pass.
Sariq akkaunt qo'yadi. Do'stlar, qani kimdirda almashtirib olsak, Ronaldoni tushiramiz. Rem davriga tushiramizmi? Vini o'rniga. Qani Vini agar juda kuchli o'ynayotgan ekan, shunga qoldiramiz. Bo'lmasa Usmonda himoyaga turib, Haalandga tushirib, Ronaldoni yoqqa tushiramiz.
Headed upfield. Vinicius Junior, great run.
Ajoyib harakatlar.
Alexander Arnold with a tackle.
Mendes o'ynab ketmeycha, hakam shunday.
Mendes wins the ball. A long-range effort. The finish was just off there and it's wide. Ball is up and new players coming on.
Do'stlar, mana hop.
Headed forward.
Dembele, demoqchi edim. Dembele, Ronaldo, agar mana shu
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Mana shu akkaunt
And it's opened up here.
menga yozsa tekin.
Oh, nice finish. Well, if you put those shots into the top corners, any goalkeeper will struggle to get there. We won't get bored of seeing this one again. We've played the best and beaten them.
Mana qo'l keltirdi. Nishonlashmoqda do'stlar. Mana Virgil van Dijk Sardor shunga ko'taryapti. Bo'ldi do'stlar. Tugadi o'yin. Albatta do'stlar, mana shu ko'rib turgan akkauntlarimga juda zo'r. Puli ham juda ko'p. Qora futbolchilar ham yaxshi. Mana sxemalardan anchasi ochilib tashlangan. Hammasi ochilgan. Hammasi. Mazza qilib o'ynaysizlar. Albatta buni yutib olish sababi like shu ko'rib turgan videolaringizga like bosasizlar, obuna bo'lasizlar, Telegram kanaliga ham obuna bo'lasizlar, yozasizlar. Xo'p, kimlar sotib olmoqchi bo'lsa sotib olsin. Mana bu Barsa bilan o'ynayapmiz. Mana Barsani hozirgi tarkibi. Yomon emas. Barsa yomon emas. Fermin Lopez Agar shu o'ynashda davom etsa sariq ham bo'ladi. Fabian Diaz. Xo'p do'stlar, mayli sog' salomat bo'linglar. Albatta videoga like bosib obuna bo'lasizlar. Xayr.